You ever take what you think is the perfect group photo, only to get home and realize one little thing ruined the whole shot? It is a classic, super frustrating problem. But what if I told you the fix was just a few clicks away? Well, today we're going to dive into a tool that promises to do exactly that, and honestly, a whole lot more.
We have all been there, right? You finally get everyone together. The lighting is just right, the background's awesome, everybody's looking good, you take the shot, and then you see it. The one fatal flaw. It's always something, isn't it? Uncle Jerry blinked. It's the photo you wanted versus the photo you actually got. And man, it is just so disappointing.
Well, what if you could just fix it? Not with some complicated software, but like magic. What if you could just take another picture of Uncle Jerry where he is smiling and just paste his face in perfectly? You know, with a tool called Remaker AI, that's not some far-off fantasy. It's literally a 10-second fix.
So let's pull back the curtain and see what this thing actually is. Remaker AI is this web-based AI platform, but calling it just a photo fixer really doesn't do it justice. Its real power, its secret sauce, is in image and even video manipulation.
So at the heart of it, you've got this really powerful AI. And from there, you get all these amazing tools. The main event, of course, is the face swap we've been talking about, for single faces or even whole groups. But it also does stuff like AI portraits, it can make your blurry photos sharp, and it can even remove unwanted objects from your pictures. It's like a whole suite of editing tools packed into one simple website.
So who's this for? You can probably tell just by looking at it, this isn't some super complex, Hollywood-level software that takes months to learn. Nope, this is built for people like you and me, regular consumers, casual creators. The whole point is to get quick, easy, and impressive results without needing a professional degree in photo editing.
Okay, so we've established it's powerful and it's for regular folks. But just how easy are we talking? Let's walk through the actual steps. The simple path to getting that perfect picture. You'll see what I mean.
And this is it, seriously. It's all on their website, so you don't have to install a thing. Step 1, you upload the main photo, the one you want to keep. Step 2, you upload the picture that has the face you want to use. Step 3, you click that big swap button, wait about 10 seconds, and then you download your new, perfect photo. That is literally all there is to it. It's kind of wild.
All right, so a tool this powerful, this easy to use, it's got to be expensive, right? I mean, that's always the catch. But what if I told you that the price is actually one of its most surprising and, frankly, amazing features?
Yep, you are seeing that number correctly. 30. Remaker AI gives you 30 free credits every single day. Let that sink in. That's enough to fix about 30 photos for free daily. When you look at what competitors offer, this free plan is just incredibly generous. Most people will probably get everything they need without ever paying a cent.
And if you put the two plans side by side, you really see the value. That free plan is amazing for just having fun or fixing the occasional group photo. But if you're a creator or you just need more horsepower, the VIP plan is about $10 a month. And for that, you get way more credits, faster speeds, and no watermarks. Either way you go, it's a pretty incredible deal. So let's recap. It's powerful, it's ridiculously simple to use, and it's shockingly cheap, if not totally free. You know, it almost sounds a little too good to be true. Which brings us to the big question. What's the real cost here?
And this is where we need to get serious for a moment. Because with technology this powerful, there are always hidden risks. We really need to talk about what you might be giving up when you're chasing that perfect photo.
At its heart, the technology that Remaker AI uses is what allows people to create deepfakes. Now, let's just be super clear on what that means. It's any kind of media, a photo or a video, where a person's face is convincingly swapped with someone else's. And while that can be used for a harmless laugh, we all know it can also be used for some really malicious stuff. So the dangers really boil down to three main things. First, there's the obvious one, the potential for creating harmful deepfakes and even identity theft. Second, and this is a huge one, is your personal data privacy. And third is the legal gray area of copyright.
Let's focus on data privacy for a second, because this is important. When you upload a photo of yourself, you're not just uploading pixels. You're uploading your biometric data, the unique mathematical signature of your face. And you're sending that data to cloud servers that, according to our sources, are run by a company based in China or Hong Kong. You are literally handing over a digital key to your identity.
And that brings us to the single most important takeaway when it comes to safety. The company might say they delete your data, but the safest mindset you can have is this. Assume any photo you upload could one day be leaked. So please do not upload sensitive images, not pictures of your driver's license, not anything you wouldn't want the entire world to see.
So, with all that in mind, the awesome power on one hand and the very real risks on the other, where does Remaker AI actually land? How does it stack up against the competition? Let's put it all together and give a final verdict.
This chart really tells the whole story. You look at something like the Reface app, and it's all about making those quick, kind of silly GIF memes. Then you have Magic Hour, which is more for stylized trends like turning yourself into a Lego figure or an anime character. But Remaker AI, as you can see, is laser-focused on high-quality, realistic swaps for actually fixing photos or making a believable prank. Its blend of quality and that crazy generous free plan really puts it in a class of its own.
So our final verdict is pretty clear. Remaker AI is an absolutely excellent, powerful, and unbelievably low-cost tool for realistic face swaps. It's a leader in its niche, for sure. But that recommendation comes with a huge asterisk. It's an excellent tool if and only if it's used ethically and you fully understand the privacy risks you're taking.
And that really leaves us with one last big question. This kind of technology puts incredible power into our hands. With just a few clicks, we can fix a cherished memory, or we can create a completely fake reality. The tool itself doesn't care. The choice of how we use it, well, that's on us.